For our really cute jammy shirt, we are using a Cricut Infusible Ink blank t-shirt, as well as the Cricut Infusible Ink transfer sheets. And I'm using the transfer sheets in blue and green because I want them to match these really cute jammy pants that I got for the whole jammy look. Now the file that we are using is one that is available on my Etsy shop, the CRAFTYBLOGSTALKER.com, and I have lots of plaid animals to choose from. I've already got the design uploaded into Cricut Design Space and I'm ready to cut. I'm doing the base layer in blue, so I'm gonna load that into my Cricut Explorer Air 2 and then let it cut out that shape. And now I've got my green plaid layer. I'm now done with my Cricut Explorer Air 2, so I'm going to put that away. Now we bring in our Cricut Easy Press, and I'm going to go to the Heat Guide website, which will tell me exactly where I need to set my Easy Press. So I'm going to come up here to select the heat transfer material, and I am using Infusible Ink transfer sheets. And then my base is the t-shirt. So I'm going to apply that, and this tells me exactly the heat, 385, which I've got that set at, and 40 seconds, which I've got that set at as well. So now I just need to let my Cricut Easy Press heat up. Here I've got my blank, my Cricut Infusible Ink shirt, and I'm going to center this on the heat pad, the Easy Press heat pad. In between the layers of the shirt, you want to put either some cardstock or a couple layers of butcher paper. I like to use this cardboard. It's like a backing from a package of paper, just because it's a little bit thicker. And so it gives me something hard to press against when using my Easy Press. I want to just iron out the wrinkles here really quick. So I'm just going to use my Easy Press to do that. Just lightly iron. And now I'm going to weed my first layer of my design. I don't like to weed my designs until I am ready to iron on, because anything that you can get on this backing sheet, any dust or anything, can affect the design when you go to iron it on. I'm going to peel that off. Peels off super easy. And then I'm just going to kind of figure out where it needs to go before I preheat the fabric. Got a ruler handy so I can see. It's going to need to come this way just a little bit. That looks too far. Okay, that looks good. So I'm going to make a mental note of where everything goes. I'm going to take a clean sheet of butcher paper and preheat my shirt for 15 seconds. All right, now I'm going to place this. And just double check it again. Yep, looks good. So again, I'm going to take that butcher paper, put it over. And this time we're going to do the full 40 seconds with just light pressure. Okay, and we want to do a warm peel. And take that off. And carefully, you're going to peel that up. Ah, look at our buffalo. Look at how cool it is. Now we're going to take our other piece, our plaid piece, and we are going to weed this piece. This piece is a little bit more difficult to weed, but that paper still pulls away really nicely. Okay, it looks like our plaid layer is ready to go. So now I'm going to take my lint roller and I'm going to go over the top of it again to make sure that there's no hair, dust, or anything stuck to it. I should have done this also before the blue layer, but I totally spaced it. We're going to preheat again, and I'm going to get a clean sheet of butcher paper. We're going to heat that up for 15 seconds. And then we are just going to place this over the top of our buffalo. And anywhere where we need, we can kind of pull the fabric on the shirt a little bit tighter to make it fit the plaid stencil. Okay, that looks pretty good. We're going to put that over the top, and then we are going to heat again for 40 seconds. Okay, let that straight up. And then we're going to carefully lift this up. Oh, look how cool! Isn't that awesome? And there is our plaid buffalo jammy shirt to go with these really cute jammy pants. Isn't that going to be fun? I'm so excited. Do you want to see all the jammy shirts that we made? There's a moose, a squirrel, a deer, a bear, a fox, and our buffalo. I also did another one with the green as the base and layered the blue, and it actually just turned out to be green on green. Isn't that cool? Thank you guys so much for joining me while you're here. I would love for you to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you never miss out on any of my tutorials. And of course, you can always find me at my home base at thecraftyblogStalker.com. Thanks, everybody. Bye, and happy crafting!